Tesla, where are my Tesla gang at? You guys still
Coach, on Apple, I'm
I'm
up
here,
to
Coach.
$700.
nice job.
Well,
Tesla,
that's a comma in Tesla.
yeah, think about it. Tesla, you still have not had a pullback yet. You still have not had one opportunity to take money off the table yet, have you? Nope.
60% on TSL call.
Nice job. Do you guys, are you starting to see though how this is working?
This is
Right?
awesome.
Isn't this crazy? And you're like, oh my gosh, I had no idea, right? We've been doing this every day for over 2 years straight. I've been training this strategy that I have designed and developed of over 3 decades, 32 years of experience for this, right? And people are still like, well, I don't know I don't know about that thing. I'm going to draw a bunch of Fibonacci levels. Stop it. I'm showing you the way. I'm showing you exactly how to get in, exactly when you should get in, exactly how it works, exactly how to profit from it, exactly when to take the money out, exactly what the risk to reward ratios are. You guys are getting all of this in here. We've been doing this for over 2 years straight, every single day. Welcome to the real deal, by the way. All 200 of you that are over on TikTok. I'm not sure how many's over on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or the X. Not sure. I can't see the rest of the stats, but if you guys are watching, this is why American Dream Trading is so successful as a whole for our trading community. This is why we do things differently over here. Right, Christina? Great job.
Good job.